Man hapon. Kamusta everybody, this is Scott Expat in the Philippines. It's only sand.
No.
You tell Snowy, don't eat my sand. In my sand pit. Wow. Daddy and Mummy buy that for your birthday, yeah? Huh, CJ? They're gonna have fun. Ah, there you go, Snowy. Shouldn't eat sand, eh? Silly dog. Never mind. Whoop, open the door. Is it raining, CJ? Better put the wipers on. I'm going in to check on dinner because it's nowhere ready, and I'm going to quickly show you what I've been doing. Well guys, yes, my cactus garden's looking good. I've just been doing some work on it, replanting a few, changing them in different positions and different places. I've put the big ball cactus there because we are going to put a water feature in. And I got half of it down, and that's actually what we call, what I'm doing is a dry creek bed. It runs up there and then all the way down to there, but I'll probably keep it going and take it across, put a little bridge where that track is and take it across that way, and I'll put the water feature somewhere around near the roses there. But for the moment, this is what I'm up to at the moment. Just moving a few things, put soil over the top there. CJ's behind me. You better watch out, he'll run me over. And I haven't finished, guys. I need to cover the plastic there. I need to get some bigger rocks, similar to those three there, to put up a little bit further. Squawk has paid me a visit. There's Mags up there on our aerial. This is what it looks like at this angle, going up. So I've got a fair bit of work to go. I'm going to get some more of those white pebbles and bring them down to about here. Get a couple more big rocks and just put them in certain places where I want them. It should look good when it's finished. I planted a couple there and moved that, what I call a cabbage cactus, just here, and a few little ones. Just break it up a little bit. So it's looking good so far. Here I'll put where that little bit is, just there. I'm going to put a couple of big rocks there too, and should finish it off with a few more up there. Anyway, this has been Scott, Expat in the Philippines. Catch you later, guys. Have a nice day. Enjoy, relax, take care, because life is good.